How to disable notifications from TikTok. In order to disable notifications from TikTok, launch the TikTok application. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side, followed by settings and privacy. Now right here under content and display, you can find the option called notifications. Just make sure to tap on it. And here you can choose a specific notifications and categories, whether or not you want to enable or disable them. Or you can turn it off for hold. So you can turn it off for all of these notifications right here if you don't want to receive them, or in-app notifications also you don't want to receive, or push notifications also you can set a schedule only when you want to receive it. And this is the way on how you can disable notifications from TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.